And now, hello guys, and I'm gonna show you how to color text. Like I've created a box, 3x3 box. Let's what's about it and go in and close it so it will be dark. So it will be torch. I put it there so when I use the color text I can see it. I'm just gonna do one sign because doing so is long way like that. First you're gonna see this and 1 to 0 there's something color. 1 is blue, 2 is green, 3 is blue green, 4 is red, 5 is white or pink, 6 is yellow, 7 is gray too, and 9 is light blue and is brown I think. So I'm gonna put 1, maybe we'll put blue. Let's say color text. Is so cool. Please subscribe me. We're gonna start. Oh yeah. Color text is so cool. Please subscribe me. And I've shown you how to color text. I hope you enjoy it and please subscribe if you are new to my channel. Bye!